Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable TalkBack on your Android device to assist with accessibility and screen reading, follow these step-by-step instructions to turn on this feature. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Step 3. Tap TalkBack to access the TalkBack settings. Step 4. Toggle the switch at the top of the screen to turn on TalkBack. Step 5. A confirmation dialog will appear. Tap OK to enable TalkBack. Step 6. Your device will now read aloud everything you touch, select, or activate on the screen. Step 7. To navigate with TalkBack, use 2 fingers to scroll and double tap to select items. Step 8. To disable TalkBack, hold both volume keys for 3 seconds or return to the TalkBack settings and toggle the switch off. TalkBack is now active to assist with screen reading. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.